Good day everyone, I am Kathleen Argorin from BSM1 and I am here to demonstrate the proper procedure for donning and removing sterile gloves. Step number 1. Remove all jewelry. Jewelry harbors more microorganisms than do hands. Step number 2. No artificial nails, extenders, or cheap nail polish should be worn. Artificial nails, extenders, or cheap nail polish harbors additional microorganisms. Step number 3. Inspect hands for sores and abrasion, cover or report to supervisor as required. Open sores can harbor more microorganisms. Step number 4. Ensure sleeves are at least 2 to 3 inches above the elbow. This step prevents sleeve from becoming moist and prevents the transfer of microorganisms from the sleeves. Step number 5. Clean hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water to remove visible bleedings. This step decreases the bacterial count on hands and prevents contamination of sterile equipment. Step number 6. Clean surface to open sterile field and raise its height to waist level. All sterile items must be kept above waist level. Step number 7. Inspect packaging for sterility. All sterile items must be checked for sterility prior to use. Always examine sterile glove packaging for expiry date, intactness, and clear. The package should be dry. Sterile gloves have outer packaging.
Step number 8. Open sterile packaging by peeling open the top seam and pulling down. Open sterile packaging without contaminating inner package. Open sterile glove packaging. Step number 9. Place inner package on working surface and open up to see right and left gloves. Start with dominant hand first, open packaging. This step prepares sterile surface to perform sterile application of gloves. Place inner packaging on clean surface. Start with dominant hand and open packaging.
Step number 10. Pick up glove for dominant hand by touching the hole inside cuff of the glove and do not touch the outside of glove. Hold glove completely over dominant glove. This step allows ease of application. Grasp in the glove of the dominant hand. Insert hand into opening. Hold glove on a wrist. And insert glove hand into the cuff of the remaining glove. Hold the remaining glove on non-dominant hand and hurt fingers. Adjust glove if necessary. Once gloves are on, interlock gloves hands and keep at least 6 inches away from clothing, keeping hands above waist level and the shoulder.
This step prevents the accidental touching of non-sterile object of the front of the gown. Keep hands above waist level away from clothing. Step number 13. To remove gloves, grasp the outside of the cuff or palm glove and gently pull the glove off, turning it inside out and placing it into glove hand. Doing this prevents the contamination of the hand when removing gloves. Grasp the outside of glove 1 to 1/2 inch below the cuff, turn glove inside out and place inside out glove in the glove hand. Step number 14. Take a glove hand, place fingers inside the glove and pull off inside out. This step prevents the contamination of glove hand touching and glove hand. Insert fingers under the cuff and remove second glove inside out. Step number 15. Perform hand hygiene. This removes powder from the gloves which can irritate the skin. It also prevents contamination from potential pinholes in the gloves. Hand hygiene with ABH.